In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow participants to record in Zoom, whether you're running a virtual classroom, hosting a team meeting, or conducting a webinar. Sometimes you need to let your participants catch everything in the session by recording it directly to their computers. While Zoom is a versatile platform with many features, ensuring your participants have the ability to record might require a little navigation of the settings. By following these instructions, you'll be able to enable this option with ease. Firstly, you'll want to start by locating the host tools in your Zoom meeting. These are essential controls that allow you to manage various aspects of the session and can be found when you're the host. Simply hover over the Zoom window and you'll find them usually positioned at the bottom. The icon generally looks like a shield or toolset, symbolizing its utility in managing the session. Once you access the host tools, the next step is to focus on the participants. Managing who can do what in your meeting is crucial, and you'll find this option by clicking on the Participants button. This opens up a panel on the right side of your Zoom window, where you can see all attendees currently in your meeting. Here, you can manage individual participant settings, such as muting or spotlighting someone, or, as we are focusing on today, enabling recording capabilities. Now that you have the Participants panel open, let's look at how to allow them to record. What you need to do here is spot the toggle that's labeled something along the lines of Record to Computer. This toggle will determine if your participants are allowed to record the meeting and save it directly to their computers. Simply switch it on or toggle it to the right. You should see it change color or have some indication that it's active. This tells you that you've successfully given the permission needed for your participants to record. Remember, when enabling this, it is considerate to inform your participants about the recording permissions. It maintains transparency during your meeting and allows everyone to be aware of the fact that the session can be recorded and saved externally. By giving participants the ability to record, you make your Zoom meetings more accessible. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who might need to revisit the session content for clarity or note-taking. It also enables participants to share segments of the meeting with those who couldn't attend. Keep in mind, though, that depending on your organization's Zoom settings or policies, you might need additional permissions to modify this setting. And that's it. With those simple steps, you can enable participant recording in Zoom, enhancing the capabilities and accessibility